Is the price of XRP going to go through the roof in the next 48 hours? The market is very excited, and this very important time frame could be the turning point for XRP. There's a chance that XRP will make a big move in the next day, thanks to recent changes in the market and important technical signs coming together. If you've been paying close attention to XRP, you know that the price of the coin has been pretty stable over the last few weeks, but it's now at a very important level. XRP could either break through key resistance levels in the next 48 hours, which would set the stage for a big rally, or it could stay in the range it is in now. Why is this time so important? Well, a number of important signs are coming together right now. XRP is picking up speed as trade volume has gone up and big investors are feeling good about it. There are more things to keep an eye on, but volume trends and support and resistance levels point to a possible breakout. The action on the XRP blockchain is also sending out interesting signals. Large wallet transfers and whale movements could be signs that bigger moves are coming soon. Also, XRP price could go up because of things happening outside of the market, like changes to regulations or news of a new relationship. Today and tomorrow could be very good for buyers, so they need to be extra careful. If XRP breaks through its key barrier levels, the price could rise quickly and maybe even reach all-time highs. That's why you should pay attention now. There is a chance that XRP will go through the roof, and the market will move in either direction in just a few days. Keep an eye on things, because the next 48 hours could be very important for XRP. Very important for XRP. Since the next 48 hours are so important, let's go over the most important signs you should be looking for in XRP. First, let us talk about amounts of support and resistance. XRP has been moving in a narrow range, and it's getting close to a key level of support right now. It's possible for XRP to reach new highs if it can break above this level and stay there. If it fails to break through this resistance, on the other hand, it might have a short-term stumble and fall back to support levels. The next 2 days will show how XRP responds to these levels, which will give a clear picture of the possible direction. Trading volume is another important sign to keep an eye on. Recently, there's been more activity in XRP, which is a good sign for a possible breakout. A strong volume means that buyers are sure of what they're doing and that things are getting ready for a bigger move. When volume is high, prices tend to move in the direction of the rise. What if the volume keeps going up over the next few days? That could be a clear sign that XRP is about to make a big move. There's also XRP info on the chain. As part of this, activity in wallets is being watched, especially from big holders or whales. If you see that big XRP holders are moving their assets, or if there are big moves between wallets, it could mean that big players are getting ready for a bigger change in price. There has also been some good sentiment from institutions and bigger investors, which could also make XRP more valuable. Lastly, keep an eye on any outside events that might affect the price of XRP, such as news about new agreements or changes to regulations. A new relationship or clearer rules could be the spark that breaks through XRP resistance. The next 48 hours will be very important in figuring out whether XRP will break out of its current price level or take a break before making another move. Watch out for these important signs and stay tuned. It's important to know why these levels are important and how they will affect the price of XRP as we hit this important 48-hour window. The levels of support and resistance we've been talking about are more than just numbers. Traders and buyers pay close attention to these psychological barriers. When XRP hits a resistance level, a lot of traders are trying to sell at that price. This can stop the price from moving for a short time. If XRP goes through that level of resistance, however, it tells the market that buyers are in charge and that a new trend might be starting. On the other hand, buyers usually step in and buy at support levels because they think the price is low enough to be a good purchase. If XRP falls below a strong support level, it could cause fear selling, which could lead to even more drops. That's why it's so important to keep an eye on XRP at these key levels for the next 48 hours. It's likely to go up if it stays above support and makes a strong push at breaking through resistance. If you're interested in XRP, the next 48 hours will be very important. How the price moves during this time could set the tone for the next few weeks. If XRP is able to rise and break through barrier, it could mean that institutional interest is continuing to grow and that the price is likely to keep going up. XRP could move sideways or go down before the next big movie, but if it can't hold these levels, you could see more of that. It's important for buyers to know that the market doesn't always go in a straight line. This is called volatility. But if you keep an eye on these important levels and signs, you can stay ahead of the curve and make smarter financial choices. It's more important than ever to stay aware and up to date as we look ahead to the next few days. For XRP, it's also important to look at the bigger picture, the current state of the market. The price of XRP, key signs, and resistance levels are only some of the things that make up the story. Make up the story. XRP long-term promise still depends on how useful it is in the real world and how quickly it is adopted by global financial systems. XRP is more than just a speculation. Financial companies all over the world use it to make global payments faster and cheaper. XRP has a strong base because it is used in the real world. This makes it less likely to lose value during market panics than other cryptocurrencies that aren't used by as many institutions. Still, the next 48 hours could be very important for setting the tone for the next few weeks in the market. Thank you. If XRP can hold its support levels and break through resistance, institutional buyers may become more confident and the price may go up sharply. The fact that XRP is being used more and more in finance also says that the token's value will keep going up, even if the market goes up and down. If XRP is able to break through and hit higher levels, it could be the start of a much bigger trend for the cryptocurrency market as a whole to go up. It's also important to remember that the market doesn't promise anything. Even though the technical signs are looking good, news about regulations or changes in the global economy could still have a big effect on the price of XRP. So, buyers should be able to change their minds at any time, whether they're long-term holders or short-term traders. It's smart to be ready for everything that could happen. Always be aware, know what's going on, and remember that XRP journey is only just starting. Some of the most important hints for what will happen next could come in the next 48 hours. The most important thing to remember about XRP future is that it's not just about short-term price changes. It's also about how well it can stay and grow in the global financial environment. The next 48 hours will definitely change the price of XRP, but what makes it truly valuable is its use as a way to make payments, send money, and build a global financial system. Because more people are using XRP, it can be used for more things.